name's Nick. We're in the all-new redesigned 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Edition. As we go throughout the course, we're just going to be testing what makes our Jeeps trail rated. The only thing we can't test indoors is water fording. We can actually go up to 30 inches of water in the Wranglers. So right now we're just going to test maneuverability. As you can see, we're just crawling right on through these little articulation wedges. And then once we get on the rocks, the Jeep has enough momentum to pull itself right on over. I can actually take my foot off the gas and just let the Jeep do all the work for us. And then all the trail rated models do come standard with the skid plates underneath, so you don't have to worry about one of these rocks hitting anything and damaging anything. I do have us in 4-wheel drive low throughout the whole course, just getting us as much traction as possible. That's what's going to help us crawl on up our hill. We're going 18 feet up in the air, 35 degrees up and 35 degrees back down.
Just staring at the ceiling.
Oh yeah. And then a cool feature on the way down is hill descent. I can tap that button right there. As soon as we start going down, I can take my foot off the brake. It's doing all of the braking the entire way down for us through the ABS and the transmission together. So now we're testing articulation. We're going up 30 degrees on the passenger side. We're not going to take it because we have a low center of gravity. We'll actually stop and give it a little shake up here. It's not going anywhere. And a cool feature in the new Wranglers is right here you can see your pitch and roll degrees, so you know you're not going to be going too high ever if you do take it off-roading.
That's cool.
And then this off-camber is just going to rock us from side to side to test how well the Jeep handles uneven surfaces. All 4 tires are at a different height, but it does try to keep us as level as possible in here. Touch this back down nice and easy. Under the hood, we still have that 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine with 285 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. They changed it from a 5-speed to an 8-speed, so we can get up to 23 miles per gallon now. And then if you guys check out that red Wrangler right there, so our tires are going to be looking like that as we go over this. They're going to be flexed, but the hood is always going to stay level no matter what, because we do have our disconnecting sway bar, which allows the tires more room to travel up and down. And then for the new JLs, we have about 11 inches of ground clearance. We're going to make it up these stairs nice and easy. And then we do have our Uconnect system where we have our heated front seats, heated steering wheel, built-in nav with Bluetooth audio. Finally have that built-in backup camera in the Wranglers. Then you can download apps on here and all that good stuff, and it's only about a $2,500 price difference from last year's model, so fully loaded it's going to be around $55,000. You guys have any questions for me?
I don't think so. Are the diesel versions out?
They are coming out in 2019.
Okay, cool. Thank you.